Subaru dealers are hiding a devastating truth about CVT transmissions that could cost you $12,000 after 100,000 miles. While they collect $450 for fluid changes they claim aren't needed until 137,500 miles, real Subaru owners are discovering their CVTs become economically disposable the moment major problems start after warranty expiration. According to owner testimony documented on Subaru Crosstrek and 50 forums, one Crosstrek owner reported paying $5,000 out of pocket for a CVT replacement at 111,000 miles after their Endurance extended warranty company refused coverage, citing improper maintenance intervals that Subaru themselves had recommended. We're not talking about normal wear and tear. We're talking about systematic economic abandonment, where a $40 seal failure requires an $8,600 transmission replacement because Subaru designed these units as non-serviceable cartridges. Based on multiple Subaru forum discussions and dealer quotes, CVT replacement costs now range from $7,500 to $12,000 at dealers, making repair economically impossible on vehicles worth less than the transmission itself. In this video, you'll discover exactly why Subaru CVTs become financial death traps after 100,000 miles, see the real replacement costs owners are paying, and understand why dealers profit from the disposable design they won't explain up front. This isn't just about transmission problems. This is about understanding why Subaru engineered planned obsolescence into their most critical drivetrain component. And don't forget, all sources and documentation for everything we're covering today are linked in the first comment below. The numbers tell a brutal story that Subaru dealers don't want you to calculate. When your CVT fails after 100,000 miles, you're looking at replacement costs between $7,500 and $12,000, according to documented owner experiences across Subaru forums. But here's what makes this devastating. Most 100,000-mile Subarus are worth less than the cost of the transmission replacement. According to Subaru Outback forums, a 2013 Outback with 162,000 miles recently faced an $8,600 dealer quote for CVT replacement. The owner's response reveals the economic reality. There is no way we're going to put $11,000 into a car that is 8 years old. This isn't an isolated case. It's the mathematical certainty that Subaru doesn't advertise. The disposable design starts with Subaru's engineering philosophy. According to a Nissan engineer's statement documented in Subaru owner forums, auto manufacturers consider CVTs to be cartridge-type components with a replace versus repair approach. When a $40 seal fails in the CVT case, you can't buy just the seal. Subaru requires complete transmission replacement because mechanics aren't trained to repair individual components. Based on documented owner experiences on Subaru Outback forums, one Outback owner discovered this harsh reality when their dealer quoted $10,777 for a transmission leak from a non-resealable part. The diagnosis stated, non-resealable parts necessary to replace CVT assembly. A $40 seal problem became an $11,000 replacement requirement by design. The maintenance trap makes this worse. According to Car Talk's investigation with authorized Subaru dealers, Subaru tells owners CVT fluid changes aren't required until 137,500 miles, while independent mechanics and international Subaru divisions recommend 30,000-mile intervals. This creates a warranty loophole that destroys owner protection exactly when they need it most. Extended warranty companies exploit this maintenance confusion ruthlessly, as documented on Subaru Crosstrek and 15 forums. One Crosstrek owner at 111,000 miles had their Endurance warranty claim denied because CVT fluid was never changed. Even though Subaru directly told the warranty company that fluid wasn't due until 100,000 miles, they still refused to pay the $12,000 replacement cost. The owner ended up paying $5,000 out of pocket after Subaru agreed to cover 50%. Dealers profit from this confusion by charging $450 for CVT fluid changes while simultaneously claiming they're unnecessary until extreme mileage.
And we'll probably just leave it in there for the time being, just making it easier to grab that plug. And that CVT fluid is definitely dirty. It should be a teal green color. It's quite dark.
According to CarTalk's investigation with Boston area Subaru dealers, one dealer quoted 137,500 miles for CVT service. Yet owner forums document catastrophic failures well before this interval. The maintenance revenue disappears when the transmission becomes disposable. The warranty extensions Subaru offers reveal their knowledge of systemic problems. According to documented warranty policies, the 10-year, 100,000-mile CVT warranty extension for 2013 to 2018 models isn't generosity. It's acknowledgement that these transmissions fail predictably, and the extension conveniently expires exactly when replacement costs become customer responsibility. Independent transmission shops often refuse CVT work entirely, based on owner reports on Subaru forums. When owners seek alternatives to dealer replacement costs, they discover that repair facilities won't touch CVT internals because replacement parts aren't available individually. One transmission shop initially thought they could replace seals, then called around and found that no one sells just the seals. The used transmission market reveals the disposable economics clearly. According to eBay marketplace data and forum discussions, quality used CVTs range from $1,500 to $3,500 installed, making this the only economically rational choice for high mileage failures. But even used transmissions come with limited warranties, creating a gambling scenario where owners hope for years of service from unknown history components. Geographic manufacturing changes compound the disposal problem. Based on official Subaru recall documentation, Subaru shifted Tacoma production from San Antonio to Mexican factories during retooling, and assembly quality suffered. The CVT axle recall, affecting 381,000 vehicles from 2022 to 2023, stems from welding debris causing improper bolt torque during this production transition. Quality control problems during manufacturing transitions create reliability landmines that explode after warranty expiration. The dealer service model depends on this disposable design. According to Kelley Blue Book cost estimates and dealer pricing data, CVT fluid changes cost $450 and require special equipment and Subaru-specific fluid, but they generate minimal revenue compared to 8,000 plus replacement sales. Dealers have financial incentive to minimize preventive maintenance that might extend CVT life beyond the profitable replacement window. International Subaru divisions acknowledge different maintenance reality. According to Subaru Canada's official warranty documentation, Canadian Subaru requires CVT fluid changes at 5 years or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first for the extended warranty coverage. This reveals that Subaru knows proper maintenance intervals but adjusts recommendations based on legal liability rather than engineering requirements. The class action settlements exposed the planned obsolescence strategy. Based on CVT class action settlement documentation, Subaru extended CVT warranties to 8 years or 100,000 miles for qualifying vehicles, but only after legal pressure. The settlement specifically covers qualifying extended warranty failure language that limits coverage to known defect patterns rather than general reliability issues. Vehicle value depreciation makes disposal economically inevitable. According to Kelley Blue Book depreciation data, when your 2015 Subaru reaches 100,000 miles, its market value typically falls to $8,000 to $12,000. A CVT replacement at dealer rates costs $8,600 to $12,000, making total loss the rational financial decision. Subaru engineered this economic intersection precisely. The replacement parts markup reveals profit motivation. Based on automotive industry pricing analysis, CVT assemblies cost dealers significantly less than retail prices charged to customers, with markups often exceeding 200%. This incentivizes replacement over repair, even when individual components could theoretically be serviced. The non-serviceable design ensures maximum profit extraction. According to documented fleet management practices discussed in automotive industry forums, fleet data shows the disposable timeline. Commercial Subaru fleets typically replace CVT-equipped vehicles at 100,000-mile intervals specifically to avoid post-warranty transmission costs. Fleet managers who analyze total cost of ownership identify the CVT disposal threshold through hard financial experience that individual owners discover too late. The alternative exists but isn't profitable for dealers. Based on independent mechanic pricing data, independent mechanics can source remanufactured CVTs for $3,000 to $4,000 installed, but Subaru dealers steer customers toward new assemblies through warranty restrictions and parts availability control. The dealer network profits more from disposal than repair. Understanding CVT disposability changes purchase decisions entirely. Buying a high-mileage Subaru means budgeting for transmission replacement or planning vehicle disposal at the first sign of CVT problems. The reliability reputation that built Subaru's brand becomes liability when CVT economics force premature vehicle retirement. The maintenance schedule deception continues because it serves dealer interests. By minimizing CVT service requirements during warranty periods, Subaru reduces warranty claims while ensuring transmission failure occurs after coverage expires. This timing isn't coincidental. It's engineered business strategy disguised as maintenance advice. Consumer protection depends on understanding these economics up front. If you're buying a Subaru with a CVT, calculate the replacement cost against expected vehicle value at 100,000 miles. The math reveals whether you're purchasing reliable transportation or an expensive disposal timeline that dealers won't discuss during the sales process. The CVT disposable reality represents automotive industry evolution toward planned obsolescence in critical drivetrain components. Subaru didn't accidentally create transmissions that become economically unrepairable after warranty expiration. They engineered this outcome to maximize revenue extraction from each customer relationship while maintaining plausible reliability claims during the ownership honeymoon period. Have you experienced the CVT disposal economics firsthand, or are you planning your strategy around the 100,000-mile decision point? Share your replacement costs and dealer experiences in the comments below. Remember, I'm here exposing the financial realities that dealers won't explain because your money deserves better than engineered obsolescence disguised as advanced transmission technology.